Hey everyone, welcome to Hoppy Reads. My name is Hoppy. Today we're going to learn the I sound and read together. Remember to speak out loud and move along with the actions. Now let's practice the I sound a few times. I, 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 I. Great! By the way, at hoppyreads.com you can find more resources and even book one-on-one lessons with me. Now let's get started and read some words. I, tie, tie. D, I, die, die. I, lie, lie. I, lied, lied. I, pie, pie. I, tried, tried. I, flies, flies. I, fried, fried. I, cried, cried. That's the end of our lesson. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and visit hoppyreads.com for more.